Hey, are you an engineering graduate? Are you confused between the career choices that you have after engineering? So keeping all the engineering graduates in mind, I have come up with 6 videos career series in which I will bring to you 6 career choices after engineering. I am Shreya and in today's video, we are going to have the talk of the town, that is data science. Ever wondered how YouTube, Savan, Amazon or Flipkart recommend the product exactly you search for? Well, let me tell you, it's all because of data science. Companies use data to run and grow their everyday business. The fundamental goal of data science is to help companies make quicker and better decisions which can take them to the top of their markets. Data analysts extract data from various sources on which data scientists perform operations like data preparation, exploratory data analysis, data modeling, visualization, etc. They find the suitable data for each sector and hence predict the customer's choice based on their online behavior. The role of data scientist is now a buzzworthy career. It has staying power in the marketplace and provides opportunities for data scientists to make valuable contribution to their companies and societies. Data scientists deal with complex data, concepts like statistics, probability, linear algebra, coding, etc. on daily basis to perform their key operations. Tools like R, Python and SAS are also used to derive meaningful information. Data science can be used in weather broadcasting, internet search, online shopping, airline route planning, image and speech recognition, search and YouTube recommendation, fraud detection, healthcare, targeted advertising, gaming, augmented reality, and many more. You will be amazed to know that the average salary of a data scientist ranges from 5 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum based on experience. Some of the top institutes like DataTrain, Jigsaw Academy, Analytics Path provides the best data science courses to their students ranging from 6 to 12 months with live projects, internships and a lot more. So this is it for today's video, but I will be back with yet another video of this series with a new career option for you after engineering to help you make a better career choice. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel and do not forget to like, comment and share the video. Signing off for today, stay healthy.